GK Kids.
Old MacDonald had a farm, and on his farm was a baby goat. A baby goat is called a kid, with a meh here and a meh there. Here a meh, there a meh, everywhere a meh. Old MacDonald had a farm, Old Donald had a farm, and on his farm was a baby cow. A baby cow is called a calf, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo-moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, Old Donald had a farm, and on his farm was a baby sheep. A baby sheep is called a lamb, with a baa-baa here and a baa-baa there. Here a baa-baa, there a baa, everywhere a baa-baa. Old MacDonald had a farm, Old Donald had a farm, and on his farm was a baby chickens. Baby chickens are called the chicks, with a peep-peep here and a peep-peep there. Here a peep-peep, there a peep, everywhere a peep-peep. Old MacDonald had a farm, Old Donald had a farm, and on his farm was a baby lion. JJ! A baby lion is called a cub, with a roar roar here and a roar roar there. Here a roar, there a roar, everywhere roar roar roar. Old MacDonald had a farm, Old Donald had